Hey guys, this is Danny Baker here in Greenville, South Carolina with MarineMax. I wanted to show you this awesome little sport boat we just took in on trade. It's such a cool little boat. It's a 2012 Crownline 195SS. Comes with the original red trailer that matched the boat, painted trailer, open bow. You got the Bimini top here as well. So you got plenty of coverage. On the back, it has a nice pad on the back, sun pad. This boat is powered with a 4.3 Mercruiser MPI, so 225 horsepower. I've got to believe this boat will fly. Come on up, let me show the inside. Hey guys, up here in the bow, nice. You can see the interior is in great shape for a 2012 boat. It's super clean. Got plenty of room up here in the front. Got storage underneath. You can see on the floor too, they actually have some custom made mats, woven mats that make it nice and comfortable in here. Got the two swivel captain's chairs as well with the stereo. Nice little dash here. You can have all your diagnostics right here in front. Nice little bench in the back as well. And as you can see, for 2012, really in great shape. This boat only has 83 hours, so this is kind of a hidden gem right here. So if you would, just give us a call here at MarineMax.